Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Nash, 9-10 months into the new administration. I feel now the MMDCs aba.
You adakabre.
And for now, NDC are conceding. Say Ubiti say Asokore Mampong and the Kankam could pose a serious threat to the cohesion of NDC in Asawasi. And he may end up snatching the seat from NDC, that single seat in the Kumasi metropolis.
You adakabre. Whether was in Yakwenya Minchia Madina Constitution. Minchia waiting ne Ejuma Papa get the boy man. Adakabre.
Madina Susu didn't saka.
What's that what they do?
And Susu Homete.
Also, oh, but no, the day is not a threat. Because already Nankasana Juma or a Madina no. Ye Jumam the day or Madina. Me, I thought say they would have brought in a younger person, I mean a vibrant.
Let's say the day is young.
A young man. I say
I don't have to say gender bias.
You see, there be a yes. What is Madina no your beer a Juma? If fear Adokro Madina Menokaze, Kafu, stop it.
If you been Adokro Madina,
do Madina a fee and you want no fee who cry. I'm telling you, nothing is happening in Madina.
Nasa Madina Menoneti home.
Unfortunately, the MP is in opposition. So Susu can do just a little to help the community like the way he's doing now. What I say, Mebulune Pese Jumano, also saw Masne, or more Mupeso Moko school, also saw Masne or Moko school. No, they be American education is the key
and
to
that's
success.
The NDC are saying that the entire Ashanti region does not have a single Zango person appointed as MMDC, including Asokore Mampong.
Adakabre. Inti senya makano so adwuma a oye Madina ho no ma pa oye na say Ghana nyina ye ta nachi Madina nyina mo ye ta nachi onfa Madina omboa Madina na Madina mfa ne to papa Adakabre sa MMDC asemi asemi a enye nne ne fiase ache the appointment of the MMDC. See, we have faithful servants, a man for serving party, with all their hearts and all their might. I didn't know what's some party, no. What's some party, and send you ya or chinibi. The party no by power, and as a party no fan into my prefer out chinibia. And you yamni be bedding, a becan. Now, Adakabre, there is one thing. You see, most people just want to be in the result and not in the process. That is one of the major things I have, you know. And as I speak, it is in the process where you realize who deserves to be in the result. People just want to be in the result and not in the process. What I say, but a true process, no. Kwanga result no be bano, kwanga party ne faswa, ebe nya tumi no. And no, and ese o mampenyi no, wohwe. At least o mampenyi no, he cannot see everything. Until I was an appointment in Yano must be done in consultation with certain key people in the constituency or in the region. Certain key people know ebini wamo. Ebini ahemfo ka ho. But one would di mupa would di kind where key people I say woman wo consult one. When it comes in terms of appointment na a party ni mumpenyi no. You see, party ni mumpenyi they play a major role in a appointment committee. Wanga wo pa onipa no. Party ni mumpenyi will play major role. So wo bepa wo bia na party chairman. And parties no party bia so wo constituency wo fence den wo constituency caucus bi mpenyifo bia I say elders bia wo take decision my party no. And sometimes no ahimfo the traditional leaders. That is one of my problem I have about the appointment of MMDCs, you know. Because traditional leaders, you know, we have been told, say politics you don't do politics. And you're doing politics. Then na fe edu political appointment in Adeswa. Na ahimfo do one who Jimmy. And you see one of the questions are as yebisa. Because Who's a him for your politics? Send your soft for your politics. Affair then they do appointment so you could consult this him for any idea one year politics. No, I think say it's about time. Now Adakabre, you see, if you are a say, if you are saying yende, a cut across all the political device. Akwa say politics in tea, even when the person is qualified, your man akwenya no money in because of politics. Politics in tea. Nipa ebia ondi mu ana onsem fata. Ontumi nya adwuma no kra no na because of politics. Ye prese wofa mano. Eno so ya de bia eha like the way I said. If the person is not in the process, de bia look. At a constituency level no. Sometimes some of the constituencies do things with impunity. They take decisions on their own. Omo take a decision as if say party ni ye won kuto one day. And there be when you take the decision at the end of the day, we all believe elections are won at the polling stations. Elections are won at the polling stations. And it is the grassroots who have to take these decisions because development never bano. One no here. It doesn't benefit Flagstaff House. Yengna your constituency no. We know Omo to be a Jumadi constituency. One are competent. But Echrina say nipano the role that the person played to bring the party into power. That's Echri wakofani fi baby yemwa no so wode ne behemu a. Eyesa na emwa party ne kan ko. Eno so ya de bia ese yehwe because then the medical can it happened when we came to office, NDC came to office, a group of people did the same thing. We say one pay DC way, one pay MC way. Why should we be putting the laws into our own hands? We have been the 2 million president. Ahonding ni na yede amompa omampanyi no. Aye nyina mremu no yesi ye beta nachi. Na sema obeka anama obetu. Ye nyina ye be den yede mpaebo ne yan ahonding beta omampanyi nachi. Emma butaya esines nani so. Se ebe ma oman na kọ nanim no. Ebetumi edimu ana se ebebem ama yenso ye ho hiha yen. Na eden na ne omampanyi no ekasa eteki decision na amamba ni bi asore atia akase e bia decision ya president no eteki no enya ade aye pene so we ade aye se yehwe ni ye eye ade aye ha dwen papa se omampanyin be take decision na the party faithful because omampanyin decision na we take no ye ntum na ye ntum a ede nti na ye ntum I say we tie party man so we don't have to do things say bia chinchire etwan dipa na wa pa no he is not going to stay with the president. And you're the president in the better constituency. And you're the ministers in the better constituency. One guy will feel one and a bit to my constituency. One guy constituency in my chair. One guy ye juma constituency in my chair. One guy some party not chair or constituency. They are the people we need to respect and give them this our mandate to take that decision. What I say it must be done in consultation. Now consultation, and your president in Kutu and be taking that decision. Na menya ntiese we say list bi a wode come president no we say list about na fe amanfo realize say e din ni bi some of the names che say we expect say mfi president ho emma no we suspect say won adan some of the names ntina ma sa niam no e bi koso no look at what happened at Cheponi na ekoso yi at least nipa na won a wokoburu chairman no they are fighting for no that person should be ashamed of himself then they make a what say because say I strongly believe say when obiena no kase nia mo ye no munjai mamu nya nia ekoso wo Cheponi nyina no enya de ebe happen so what I say wo na ye pa wo no they are fighting for you. If you don't want them to fight for you, what do? You tell them to stop. Emra yetu aba emrebizi 2012 Nana Danko Akufo-Addo MPP fukobo udwawo ya the friend is saying Obrasport circle na wo mu misbehave ye wo fi ase papa amanfo whiskey ni ade obubu nkofo wo sese amanfo cars ni ade. It took Nana Danko Akufo-Addo just a statement. Adakabre, just a statement. When he made that statement, what happened? The whole place was calm because onipa na amokun ama no when ye bie na no akase wo okunkura amokun ehu hia nti eden na mo kokun sa akun ma no the nipa na wokun no so mi mbisa no se nia wo ye no etutu asem na wo ye no as party member na ene utachi anase wo fu aso se won koye sa nia ma no etutu asem a wo show party sem wo show party office na wodi tutu asɛm no ofi sɛ party ne kan kɔ na ɔrepa na anaasɛ party no nsɛ yɛ mu na ɔpɛ
Wotie Oha Exi Pongno. Needs FM.